Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you this super easy half cut crease makeup look. If you are interested, then you definitely keep on watching. This is super easy and beginner friendly as well. So first of all, for the moisturizer I'm using this rose nourishing oil. I heard so many good things about it, so I just wanted to give a try and I will give you the review as well. Just going to apply all over my face. This product is really hydrating. So moving on to the brows, I'm using my L'Oreal Paris eyebrow, which is in the shade dark brunt, and I'm just going to outline and I will put some strokes inside as well where I feel like I need haze. So I'm just going to fill it in slowly, and I always take my times to fill my brows in because this is the most important part when you do your makeup. So make sure you're doing it very well. Next I'm going to use this Benefit Gimme Brow Gel just to set my eyebrows. This won't move, like this product is really good. Just want to apply it all over my eyebrows, so my eyebrows will stay for whole day. Now for the eye primer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Just going to apply all over my eyelid. Just going to use my finger to spread the product, and then I'm going to blend it out with the beauty blender as well. Finger is the best way to spread the product onto your eyelid because it covers all the small areas. So I'm just going to apply it all over. So now I'm just going to press the product with the beauty blender. For the loose powder, I'm using today my new loose powder from Fenty Beauty in the shade Banana. This is my new picks from Sephora as well, and I'm going to apply it with the kind of powder brush, small powder brush. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using my soft glam palette. Oh, and I'm using these two colors. The orange color is for the crease, and the darker color is, I'm just gonna make a V onto my outer corner and I'm taking it inside as well. I'm sorry for that, I just missed that clip. I did not on my camera when I did that. I'm just going to show you how I did. I'm using the orange color just like that onto my crease, and that dark color I'm going to make a V just like that and taking the product inside the crease. And you can see these both colors are overlapping each other, the orange one and this dark brown shade. So now I'm taking this flat kind of brush and my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So I'm gonna try to make a line because it's a half cut crease. I'm gonna cut the crease right here, just like that. You need to be very careful when you do that. And if you have hooded eyes or any kind of high eyes, this trick will help you so much. What you need to do, just make sure you're putting the eyeliner concealer and you just look up and you can directly see the crease, and you just need to fill that gap in, and that's all. So this is the crease will look like. I'm just going to connect the inner corner, and then I'm just gonna stop it at the middle, and I'm gonna take that orange color again to build the crease again because I feel like it's just washed out, and I'm just gonna fix the concealer as well, just like so. So it will look like we did the half cut crease. Here I'm going to do the same to my other eye, just placing the concealer and cutting the crease into half, just like that, which one I've done before. Here is the close-up look. You can see I just put the concealer, and make sure you set the concealer with powder after cutting the crease. Here I'm going to just use the orange color on the top of the crease because I feel like that color is washed out. I just want to show that color as well. Just going to blend it out quickly. Now for the color, I'm going to use my James Charles palette. For the cut crease, I'm using this aqua color. It has a sparkle as well on it. So I'm just going to use my finger, and you can use brush as well. I will show you with brush too. So if you're going to use with brush, you need to fix the spray onto the brush and then apply to your eye. I feel like finger give the most pigment to your eyes, so I prefer finger as well. So here is the eyeshadow looks like. So moving on to the eyeliner, I'm going to use my Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing Eyeliner, which is so easy to use. It's just like a pencil we are holding. gonna make a wing out of it, just like that. I'm gonna join the corners. I don't like to use thick eyeliner on my eyes because I have semi-hooded eyes, so I can't see the eyeshadow if I put the thick eyeliner. So I'm just making a thin line on the inner corner and a little bit thick on the outer corner and make a wing out of it. I've put the eyelashes off camera. Now I'm going to wipe out the excess of the eyeshadow onto my face, and moving on to the primer. Here I'm using my Becca Skin Love Primer, which I've got as a sample with my Sephora products. So I'm just using it all over my face. And moving on to the foundation, I'm going to use my favorite foundation, which is NARS obviously. This is Natural Radiant Foundation from NARS, and I'm going to blend it out with the Damped Beauty Sponge. This sponge is from Real Technique. I'm just gonna pressing out the product into my skin, just like that. And for the concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light to highlight those areas wherever I feel like I need to highlight, like under inner corner of my eye, a little bit on my forehead, on my cupid bows, my nose, chin, and because I want to uplift my face a little bit, just a little bit to the outer corner of my eye as well. Now I am just going to blending the concealer with the same Damp Beauty sponge. I'm just going to use the other side of the sponge because on the same side I have foundation. So I just don't want to mix those products together. So for the powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Banana, which one I used before. I'm using this kind of concealer brush to set the concealer onto my eye. And it has a really cute this kind of puff as well. You can use that. And for rest of the face, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder. I think it's in the shade 35, I guess. And using this fluffy brush. And so for the bronzer, I'm using Too Faced bronzer in the shade Chocolate Sahel. What do you say? It's exactly smell like chocolate, man. I just wanted to eat that when I smell that. So I'm just going to use this curved brush and using it onto my cheek area, on my forehead, my jawline as well. And I'm just going to blend it out. This is my new pick as well. I bought this one from Mecca Maxima. I'm just gonna use it onto my nose as well a little bit. Now I'm placing the powder underneath my contour, which one I do in my every single tutorial because I feel like this makes your contour very sharp. Now this is the Aqua eyeliner, which one is my new picks as well. I bought this one from Sephora again, and this is the same brand Sephora from Sephora. Now going back to the eyeshadow palette, I'm using the orange color and the dark color both together, and I'm using this angular brush and putting it underneath of my lower lash line, and I'm gonna blend it after, just putting it in, and I'm gonna blend it with the Real Techniques brush, going to smudge it out. Now baking is done. I'm using this fluffy brush to wiping off all the powder from my cheeks. And now moving on to the blush, I'm using my Tarte blush. It's like a very sparkly pinky color, so pretty. I'm gonna use it with the Real Technique brush onto my cheeks and a little bit onto my nose, which one is so trendy nowadays. And you can use it a little bit on your temples as well. And for the highlighter, I'm using Fenty Beauty highlighter, which is Diamond Bomb. Oh my god, look at the packaging. This is such a bomb highlighter. Looks so nice. And this one has like a sparkle into it. It's not like kind of golden color. It gives you like a glass kind of skin if you use that. I feel like this one is more probably for like fair skin tone. You can use it anyway, but still I feel like golden color highlighter looks so much better on brown skin tone. I'm using it onto my inner corner. Now for the lips, I'm using this blush pink color lip liner from Rimmel. I'm gonna just outline my lips. I will little bit fill it in as well, I guess. And now I'm using this lip gloss from Fenty Beauty again. This is my new makeup as well from Sephora. I got this liquid lip gloss, which is so stunning. This one is actually come with the highlighter and the lip gloss packaging. So I bought both of them. So nice and so pretty. So this is the final look, you guys. I really enjoy using my new makeup and this really easy half cut crease. Please let me know in the comment section below if you learned something from this video, and I will see you in my next video, and feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. Love you so much, guys. Bye.